The massive repair dock of Europa Station hummed with quiet anticipation. Judd Park stood at the primary control panel, his fingers dancing across holographic displays that flickered with complex data streams. Outside the reinforced viewing window, a wounded alien cruiser drifted slowly into the designated repair zone, its hull telling a story of brutal combat. The ship looked like a massive wound floating in the darkness of space. Scorch marks traced intricate patterns across its metallic skin, and multiple hull breaches suggested a battle that had pushed the vessel to its absolute limits. Alien technicians moved nervously inside the damaged craft, their movements uncertain and hesitant. Captain Kim approached Ja, her engineering tablet displaying initial diagnostic readings. "That's going to be a complex repair," she muttered, her eyes narrowing as she analyzed the ship's structural integrity reports. The alien captain, a creature with translucent skin that shimmered like liquid crystal, approached the human repair team. His species, known as the Koran, were notorious for their advanced technological systems and extreme skepticism toward human capabilities. "We were told your station could handle our repairs," the alien captain said, his voice a low mechanical rumble that seemed to vibrate through the station's metal floors. Ja looked up, meeting the alien's gaze with a calm confidence that seemed to unsettle the extraterrestrial visitor. "We can do more than handle repairs. We'll rebuild your ship better than it was before." The alien's skin rippled, a sign of disbelief among his species. Repair jobs were complex, intricate processes that typically required weeks of careful reconstruction. Humans were still considered somewhat primitive by galactic standards, despite recent technological advancements. Preliminary scans revealed extensive damage to the quantum drive systems, plasma conduits, and structural frameworks. The ship had clearly survived an intense conflict, with multiple critical systems operating at less than 30% efficiency. Most repair stations would have declared the vessel beyond salvage. But Jay and his team were not most repair crews. "We'll need access to your primary engineering logs," Jay told the alien captain. "Complete and unfiltered data on the ship's original configuration and recent modifications." The alien hesitated. Sharing such detailed technical information was rare, almost taboo in their culture. But they had few options. Their ship was critically damaged, and human repair capabilities had become increasingly legendary across multiple star systems. Within hours, Jay's team had begun their initial assessment. Specialized nano-repair drones moved across the ship's damaged sections, mapping out intricate repair strategies. Each drone was a marvel of human engineering, capable of adaptive reconstruction that went beyond simple repair and approached complete system regeneration. "Estimated repair time?" the alien captain asked, his skepticism thick in his translated speech. Jay didn't even look up from his holographic interface. 72 hours. Maximum. The statement hung in the air, seemingly impossible. The alien captain's skin shifted through multiple colors, a biological response indicating extreme emotional complexity. Around them, the repair dock became a hive of methodical activity. Technicians moved with precise coordination, each understanding their role in what would become another demonstration of human technical superiority. Welding lasers flickered, nanoconstructors hummed, and complex algorithms calculated repair strategies in milliseconds. What the alien didn't realize was that this wasn't just a repair job. This was an opportunity, a chance to demonstrate that humanity had evolved beyond traditional technological limitations. Each damaged section of the ship would become a testament to human innovation. The first stage of repair had begun, and nothing would ever be the same. The repair bay buzzed with an electric tension as Jay and his team began their intricate work. Specialized nano-repair mechanisms crawled across the damaged quantum conduits like microscopic steel spiders, rebuilding complex systems with a precision that defied conventional engineering logic. Kim stood beside a massive holographic display, her fingers tracing intricate repair pathways. The alien technicians watched in stunned silence, their advanced sensors struggling to comprehend the human approach to reconstruction. The quantum drive system, A network of impossibly delicate energy channels had been nearly destroyed in the previous battle. Most repair stations would have recommended complete replacement, but Jay saw an opportunity. Where others saw destruction, he saw potential. "We're not just repairing," he explained to the alien captain, who listened with growing confusion. "We're improving." Nano-constructors began their work. These weren't simple repair tools, but adaptive machines that could reconstruct molecular structures with impossible precision. They moved through damaged systems, identifying weak points, reinforcing critical junctions, and essentially rewriting the ship's technological DNA. The alien engineering team huddled together, their translucent skin shifting through colors that represented shock and disbelief. Their own repair techniques relied on standard replacement protocols. Humans were doing something entirely different, something that bordered on technological magic. One particularly damaged plasma conduit became a showcase of human innovation. Instead of a straightforward replacement, Jay's team developed a hybrid system that not only restored functionality, but increased energy efficiency by 43%. The original design had been good. The human modification was extraordinary. "This is impossible," muttered one alien engineer, his translation device struggling to capture the nuance of his disbelief. Ian smiled. Impossible was just a word humans used before they did something remarkable. The ship's core systems began to stabilize. Where standard repairs would take weeks, human techniques were completing critical reconstructions in hours. Each repaired section became stronger, more efficient, more adaptive than its original configuration. Specialized algorithms developed by the human team allowed for real-time system optimization. The ship wasn't just being fixed, it was being transformed. Quantum entanglement channels were realigned, energy distribution networks were restructured, and structural integrity was enhanced beyond the original manufacturer's specifications. The alien captain approached Jai, his movements hesitant. "Your methods, they are not in any galactic repair manual." "Manuals are for people who can't think creatively," Jay responded, his attention still focused on the holographic displays. By the 36-hour mark, what had seemed like a destroyed vessel was becoming a technological marvel. The ship's systems were not just repaired, but significantly upgraded. Energy efficiency increased, structural resilience improved, and computational capabilities expanded. Alien technicians began recording everything. Every movement, every technique, every subtle adjustment became a potential learning opportunity. Humans were revealing something profound. Repair was not just about fixing what was broken, but about reimagining what was possible. The quantum drive, once a shattered mess of complex energy channels, now pulsed with a clean, powerful rhythm. It was a symphony of engineering, a testament to human creativity and technical prowess. "How?" The alien captain started, then stopped, unable to complete his question. Judd looked up, a slight smile playing on his lips. "We don't see problems. We see opportunities." As the repair process continued, something significant was happening beyond the physical reconstruction. The alien crew was witnessing a fundamental shift in their understanding of technological innovation. Humans weren't just another species in the galaxy. They were becoming something more. The repair dock continued to hum with activity, each passing hour revealing another layer of human technical brilliance. What had started as a seemingly impossible repair job was transforming into a showcase of engineering excellence. And they were just getting started. The story of the repaired alien cruiser spread across star systems faster than light-speed communications. What had begun as a single repair job became a legend that transformed the galactic technological landscape. Transmission logs from the first repaired ship carried detailed reports of human engineering capabilities. Fleet commanders, politicians, and technical experts studied every recorded moment of the repair process. The evidence was clear and undeniable. Human repair teams were unlike anything the galaxy had ever seen. Europa Station, once a modest repair facility, suddenly found itself at the center of interstellar attention. Communication channels flooded with repair requests from species across multiple star systems. Ships that would have been considered total losses now saw hope through human intervention. Judd Park and Yum Kim became unexpected celebrities in the galactic technical community. Their faces appeared on communication screens of repair facilities across hundreds of planetary systems. They weren't just engineers anymore. They were symbols of technological innovation. The economic impact was immediate and profound. Traditional alien repair stations saw their business models collapse overnight. Where they required weeks for complex repairs, human teams completed jobs in days. Where they saw destruction, humans saw opportunity for complete system transformation. Alien fleet commanders began specifically requesting human repair teams. The Corin captain who had first doubted human capabilities now became their most vocal advocate. His own ship, once considered beyond repair, now operated at 287% of its original performance specifications. Financial records showed a dramatic shift. Repair contracts that previously went to established alien engineering collectives now redirected toward human-led facilities. Europa Station expanded rapidly, building new repair docks and recruiting the most innovative technical minds from Earth. The reputation wasn't just about speed or efficiency. It was about a fundamentally different approach to technological problem-solving. Humans didn't just repair systems, they reimagined them. Each damaged ship became an opportunity for radical improvement. Military strategists noticed something else. Repaired ships weren't just functional, they were significantly more combat-ready. The human approach to repair introduced adaptive technologies that enhanced overall system performance. A ship that entered human repair facilities emerged as a technological marvel. Communication networks buzzed with stories. A Zorn battlecruiser restored to perfect condition. A diplomatic vessel with completely reimagined energy systems. Each story added another layer to the growing legend of human technical capabilities. The alien engineering guilds tried to understand the human method. They sent their best researchers, hoping to decode the technical magic happening in human repair facilities. But true innovation couldn't be simply copied. It required a specific kind of creative thinking that seemed uniquely human. Jay watched the growing reputation with a mixture of pride and professional detachment. To him, this wasn't about fame or recognition. It was about solving complex technical challenges. Each repair was a puzzle, and humans were proving to be the best puzzle solvers in the galaxy. EOM developed new training protocols for their expanding team. They weren't just teaching technical skills, they were teaching a way of thinking, an approach that saw potential where others saw only destruction. Young engineers from Earth began competing for positions at Europa Station, knowing they were part of something historic. The galactic technical community underwent a fundamental transformation. Species that had previously looked down on humans now sought their expertise. Repair contracts became a form of diplomatic currency, with human teams becoming increasingly valuable assets. Europa Station expanded. New repair facilities were constructed. The modest human operation was becoming a critical hub of galactic technological innovation. What had started as a single repair job was now rewriting the rules of interstellar engineering. The reputation continued to grow, and humanity was just beginning to understand its own potential. The success of human repair techniques attracted more than admiration. It drew the calculated attention of those who saw opportunity in stealing technological secrets. Rival engineering collectives from 3 different star systems began their elaborate plans. They understood that human repair methods represented more than just technical skill. They were a potential economic revolution. The first infiltration attempt came from the Nexus Engineering Consortium. They sent a sophisticated cybernetic agent, disguised as a maintenance technician. The agent's biomechanical systems were designed to record and transmit every technical detail observed at Europa Station. J. Park noticed something unusual during routine security scans. Microscopic data transmission signatures appeared in areas where the new maintenance technician worked. His instincts, honed through years of technical warfare, triggered an immediate investigation. Kim deployed specialized counter-surveillance protocols. Adaptive security algorithms began tracking the suspicious technicians' movements. Each step, each interaction was carefully monitored and analyzed. The infiltration team didn't realize that human security systems were as innovative as their repair techniques. What seemed like a simple maintenance job was actually a carefully constructed trap. Within hours, the cybernetic agent's true identity was confirmed. Advanced scanning technologies revealed complex data extraction mechanisms hidden within its biomechanical systems. The alien infiltrator had been collecting technical data about repair methodologies. "They want our secrets," Yun told Jai, her fingers dancing across holographic security interfaces. "But techniques can't be stolen. They must be understood." The Europa Station team didn't simply expose the infiltrator. They turned the situation into a strategic opportunity. Controlled information channels were deliberately left open, allowing the rival engineering consortium to receive carefully curated technical data. What the infiltrators received wasn't complete technical information. It was a complex puzzle designed to mislead and misdirect. Human engineers understood that true innovation couldn't be simply copied or downloaded. Multiple infiltration attempts followed. Each was more sophisticated than the last. Alien engineering teams used advanced holographic disguises, molecular reconstruction techniques, and complex data extraction algorithms. But human security was always one step ahead. Adaptive protection systems learned from each attempt, becoming more sophisticated with every challenge. The repair station wasn't just defending its technological secrets, it was developing new security paradigms. Political tensions began to rise. Alien engineering guilds saw human technological superiority as a threat to their established economic models. Diplomatic channels started showing signs of strain as more species realized the potential disruption human techniques represented. The Interstellar Technical Regulatory Commission began holding emergency sessions. Representatives from multiple star systems debated the implications of human repair technologies. Some demanded restrictions, while others saw collaborative opportunities. Jay and Yun watched these developments with professional calm. They understood that technological innovation was always met with resistance. Their focus remained on solving complex technical challenges, not on political maneuvering. Europa Station became more than a repair facility. It transformed into a fortress of innovation, where technical creativity was protected as carefully as military secrets. Each attempted infiltration made their systems stronger, more adaptive. The challenge wasn't just about protecting technical information. It was about demonstrating that true innovation couldn't be stolen. It had to be developed through creativity, understanding, and relentless problem-solving. As rival engineering collectives continued their attempts, human repair teams continued their work. Each repaired ship became another demonstration of their unmatched capabilities. The galaxy watched, fascinated by the unfolding technological drama. The challenges were significant, but for human engineers, challenges were simply opportunities waiting to be solved. And they were just getting started. The Interstellar Technical Conference became more than a standard diplomatic gathering. It was a moment that would be remembered in galactic historical records. The day human engineering truly changed everything. J. Park stood on the central platform, surrounded by representatives from 127 different star systems. His presentation wasn't just a technical report. It was a demonstration of human potential that would reshape technological understanding across the galaxy. Holographic displays flickered with complex repair methodologies, showing how human teams transformed seemingly destroyed technological systems into advanced, hyper-efficient machines. Each image told a story of innovation beyond traditional understanding. The alien representatives watched in stunned silence. Delegates from the most technologically advanced species sat with expressions of disbelief. What humans were presenting wasn't just a repair technique. It was a complete reimagining of technological reconstruction. Kim managed the technical data streams, her fingers moving with precision across advanced interfaces. Behind her, a series of repaired ships rotated slowly, each one a testament to human engineering capabilities. These weren't just repaired vessels. They were technological masterpieces. The Galactic Technical Council had initial reservations. Centuries of established repair protocols were being challenged by a species many had previously considered technologically primitive. Humans were rewriting the rules of system reconstruction. Our approach isn't about replacement, Jay explained. It's about understanding. Every damaged system contains potential. We don't just repair, we transform. Statistical displays showed the impact. Ships repaired by human teams demonstrated 237% improved performance metrics. Energy efficiency increased. Structural integrity became almost indestructible. Computational capabilities expanded beyond original design specifications. Alien engineering representatives began requesting detailed technical documentation. What had started as skepticism was transforming into genuine professional respect. Humans weren't just participating in galactic technology. They were redefining it. Economic charts projected massive shifts. Repair facilities across multiple star systems would need to completely redesign their technological approaches. Human methods were no longer an alternative. They were becoming the new standard. The Corran captain who first experienced human repair techniques became an unexpected advocate. His testimony carried significant weight. A species known for technological conservatism was now praising human innovation. "We discovered something more than a repair technique," the Corran captain told the conference. "We discovered a new way of thinking about technological potential." Diplomatic channels began buzzing with excitement. Technical collaboration proposals flooded communication networks. Universities and research institutions across multiple planets requested partnerships with human engineering teams. Joy understood this was more than a professional achievement. This was a moment of galactic recognition for human capabilities. They weren't just another species seeking technological relevance. They were becoming leaders of technological innovation. The conference concluded with a unanimous decision. Human repair methodologies would be officially recognized as a new galactic technological standard. Training programs would be developed. Technical exchanges would be established. Europa Station transformed from a modest repair facility to a critical hub of interstellar technical development. What had begun as a single repair job had become a technological revolution. As the conference concluded, Jay looked at Ian. They both understood this was just the beginning. Humanity was stepping into a larger technological landscape, ready to demonstrate what was possible when creativity met technical understanding. The galaxy would never be the same.